In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run parallel sprints within the same project in Jira. This is a fantastic feature for those managing complex projects where multiple teams or streams of work are happening simultaneously. Let's step through the process together, ensuring that you're able to efficiently manage your tasks and keep everything moving seamlessly. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Plan section in your Jira account. You can easily find this in the Jira navigation bar located on the left side of your screen. Once you spot it, simply click on it to move forward. This will bring you to a place where you can start setting up your parallel sprints. After you're in the Plans section, look for an icon featuring 3 dots to the right of the plans. This represents your additional settings. Go ahead and click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you need to select the option that says Admin Configuration. This choice will direct you to the settings area where you can make the necessary adjustments to enable parallel sprints. Now that you're in the admin configurations, focus on the left-hand panel. There's an option here labeled Jira Configuration. Give that a click to proceed. Your next task is to locate the setting called Parallel Sprints for company-managed projects. Here you'll find a toggle switch. You want to make sure this switch is turned on. Enabling this setting allows Jira to handle more than one sprint at the same time within your project, providing great flexibility. With the parallel sprints setting now enabled, let's head over to your Jira board. In your board, navigate to the backlog, which is where you'll see all the issues lined up for future sprints. To kick off your first sprint, just click on Start Sprint. This process is identical to beginning a single sprint. Once your first sprint is underway, return your attention to the backlog. It's time to choose a second set of issues you'd like to tackle concurrently. Identify these issues and click on Start Sprint again. Thanks to that toggle switch you activated earlier, you can now have multiple active sprints running in parallel. Just like that, you've configured parallel sprints within your project. This capability can really enhance your team's productivity, enabling multiple teams to work on different aspects of a project simultaneously without logistical hiccups. It's an excellent way to maximize the output and flexibility of your development or project management team. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide was helpful in optimizing your Jira experience. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your productivity tools.